adventure number 2 for the day. Look at this shit. Let's just go get my cherry picker. Oh, there's the fucking cherry picker. Now we're loading that shit up and taking it to the shop. I don't know how he gets me into this shit. And he just laughs the whole time. Like it's funny. I'll do that later.
Alright.
You? It's about fucking time. We need better camera equipment. Watch this fucking nightmare go down. Oh, you're sinking. Like I said, we need better camera equipment. Still sinking. A little bit more. Well, hope you hang in there. You ready? I can't even open the deal and get my beer out. How you feel about it?
That sounds like a personal problem.
How you feel about it?
I got my beer right
here. Need to aim it this way a little bit. Kind of aiming, it's kind of headed towards that fender.
This way?
Your left, my right. Well, that's doing something. Now it's gonna do that. I was having that problem earlier myself. Wonder if we put air in the tires if that'd help. We got to get it closer to my little air compressor one. Can you just pry on the wheels like you did before?
Probably.
Higher the handicap. You're fun to watch. Ah! Still with us?
Keep talking shit.
I'm kidding. It's just who I am.
Okay, give her a tug.
To the point that the fender will guide it. Okay, but we're gonna have to probably get it come back a little bit. So we don't drop a wheel off here. I can see the future.
I can too. Alright.
He said, all right. He heard it.
Alright.
Because you're doing it wrong.
You miserable? Sucker.
Suck on cock. You get lazy. Right.
Alright.
Not doing what you want.
It's not. Why not?
The back looks good, but the front's going to go off the side here. All we got to do is get the back on. Tie a couple straps on
That
this.
didn't work.
I noticed. You got any more beer in the fridge?
No, that was my last two.
Oh. Well, let's hurry up. My tank's getting empty. I'll try bar and fix it.
used to that.
It's a lot bigger tool than you're used to.
It is. Here, get your hook plug, your black hose out of the way. Let's see, like that. Let me get sort of.
Can't.
I was gonna say if you try on it there, maybe I can. It's gonna take a while. You might.
Keep talking shit, motherfucker.
I'm gonna. I'll be on the ground with you pummeling me. You're still talking shit. That's how it works.
Why?
I'm starting to get rid of the suspension.
Hand me that bar.
Busy.
Huh?
Busy. Doing shit that you're not. Turn the fucking wheel. There we go.
That's better.
Got it.
Tighten that up a little bit.
You think?
Maybe.
Uh-oh.
Keep going.
It's on there.
Keep going.
Where are we gonna put the cherry picker?
On the side.
You want me to lift that cherry picker up?
That's it. That's all we got.
Okay.
You just put a strap on the back, or you come along on the back, and we'll tighten it up a little bit. Okay. Thought I'd help you out. It's weird because all that shit's fucking broke loose already. Not even sorry, Daryl. Think we can slip that cherry picker right under it right here?
I think it's fit better on the other side, actually.
I think if we lay it down, we can just shove it in there. And then if it jams up against it, we'll just put a strap over it and hold it there. We're not going that far.
strap on it.
Well, just
Jam
stand it up.
Because it's heavy. I don't.
Nut up, bitch.
Alright. Fuck, let me give him a tug. There we go. Strap around that bitch.
You got a strap?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to straighten it out so
Well,
you can get the fucking door open.
The fuck you standing there for?
I don't know why I put up with this shit.
You gotta start it.
It's my first time. Be
I can
careful.
tell. I'll get you a driving for dummies.
I won't pay attention.
I know. Get you the audio book.
We got a Lacey dog with us on this little adventure. This might all be one video. It might be a couple.
Who knows?
Racked up some content today.
Very little. But you
Well,
make
nothing-
something out of it.
Nothing worthwhile, but son of a bitch. Fuck it, let's just go right down Main Street.
Sure, why not?
I'm not scared. Only thing that's not tied down is the gas tank. I can't think of any bumps there. It's gonna,
If we lose it, we lose it.
yeah, it was free.
Yeah.
I know
I still think it'll work on your pickup. It might not.
it might. It's hard to say. We'll just find out. 80s and 90s frames, I think, were pretty close on the Fords. But
Yeah.
I'm just gonna back it in where the trailer was before and let it sit there. If that's
Yep.
all right with you.
That's fine.
We'll deal with it at a later date.
I should have put that in gear so it don't roll.
I think we got a come along barely on it and a fucking winch on the front of it.
Well, I think we had to come along on it until you turned the corner.
Well, I'll drive slower.
Or I can just go back there and put it in gear.
Or I can just keep driving and we'll see what happens. Nothing bad could happen, could it?
I bet you $100 I can get back there and do that and get back in here without you stopping.
I don't have $100, but I'd like to see that. That's where
Well,
we,
officer, it's like this.
there's a bet.
He double dared me.
Double dog dared you.
Double dog dared me.
You know how it is.
Was there alcohol involved? Not at the time.
But the dare was for alcohol. So we don't need alcohol to be stupid. There, I'll turn my blinker on. Sorry, lady.
No, you don't.
Sounds like we're dragging something.
I think we're dragging the come on.
Think it'll make it? Or should we stop?
We probably better stop.
I suck at this cameraman position. Let's make fun of him while he's gone. Talk shit about behind his back. Is that better? Yeah, it's good. We got a block to go. If I'd just been careful and got us there, we wouldn't be dealing with this bullshit. But you know, it's just gotta be this way. Here he comes. Shut up.
I got it.
Like you had it the first time.
Huh?
Like you had it the first time?
Oh, this is better.
Oh, okay.
It's tied to something that's actually riveted on the frame still.
Nothing bad can happen.
Why'd you have to go and say that?
It's not like an adventure. This is the most excitement I've had in months.
I know.
I fucking need to start living.
Except that one fire, but we didn't tell you about that.
I wish I'd seen that.
You was sleeping.
What was on fire when I was sleeping?
Brake perks cleaner and a couple rags
Oh, that's normal.
up in the front of the shop. I kicked it outside. That was comical in itself.
Yeah, and you didn't video none of it, did you?
Nope, I didn't. I was too worried about getting the fire out of the shop.
If it's not touching wood, I'm not too worried about a fire.
Well, it was real close to it.
Look at it. Most fires will burn themselves off if there's something on cement. That's kind of a calm little day down off the highway. The highway's fucking nuts. I gotta wash this gooey shit off.
I know. Where did we get that off of?
I have no idea. I'm sure it was something to do with your fucking.
I'm probably, yeah. I agree.
How you doing?
I'm waiting for 2.5 gallons of water.
Oh shit! I'll put it on your bill.
Where'd you get water from? Oh, he's got a key, huh?
Yeah, if you don't.
Rick does.
Rick does. I owe you for 2.5 gallons of water. You damn right you do. See how the neighbor likes this shit.
There's 100 ways there's a Suburban in front of our door.
Because our neighbor's an asshole.
Huh?
I don't think it's me. Ooh, get back over here. Holy shit, I'm chasing this thing.
I wonder where he is fucking going.
There's a snake back there. I'm trying to get him.
There is?
Yep.
Okay. I'll believe you.
Not really. It's almost like I've done this before.
Maybe.
Right there. It's like almost perfection.
Almost.
Diddles.
Stay out of the street.
They were 50.